Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to enable Dolby Atmos on Samsung TV. Let's go. Step 1. Open source. Connection guide. Audio device. Connect your soundbar. Step 2. Open settings. All settings. Sound. Expert settings. Turn on Dolby Atmos. That's it. Now you know how to enable Dolby Atmos on Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.